Backing up Mac systems with Carbon Copy Cloner and have CBI bootable image files. These contain complete bootable system backups. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Carbon Copy Cloner bootable image files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult CBI files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. A user encounters a .cbi file when they have created a bootable backup of their macOS system using Carbon Copy Cloner. Their primary goal is to restore their system from this image, access specific files within the backup, or verify the integrity of their archived data for disaster recovery. The .cbi format is a proprietary compressed disk image, likely using a block-level binary structure to ensure a bit-for-bit perfect clone of the source drive. This design prioritizes bootability and data integrity, allowing for a complete system restoration, including the operating system, applications, and user files. The native handler for CBI files is usually Carbon Copy Cloner from Bootable software. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows cannot interpret the disk's file system without appropriate utilities. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the CBI file and click Open with. Test Carbon Copy Cloner if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, opening in Carbon Copy Cloner. Launch Carbon Copy Cloner and the application automatically recognizes CBI files for restoration operations. Use the Restore feature, selecting the CBI image as source and choosing destination disk or volume. CCC writes the bootable image content to the target, preserving boot capability and complete system state from the original backup. Next, mounting on macOS. Mount the CBI file on macOS by double-clicking, which prompts Disk Utility to mount the image as a virtual volume. Browse the contents through Finder for selective file recovery without full restoration. The mounted image provides read-only access to the backup contents, enabling extraction of specific files when complete system restoration isn't needed. Finally, booting from image. Use Carbon Copy Cloner to write the CBI file to an external drive, creating a bootable backup volume. Restart the Mac while holding Option to access the boot picker and select the cloned drive. The system boots from the backup, providing access to the captured system state, useful for troubleshooting or running an alternative system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.